Hey folks, I'm here at, where am I at? Ehrenberg. I was heading down towards the river, which is that way, right there, Colorado River. Behind me, I got Stubby in tow on my backpack. He's inside my backpack. He ran a little ways and then he started getting tired, so I picked him up, put him in my backpack. That was the whole idea all along the way, bringing the backpack plus my camera. But here's the road I'm on. I'm on my bike. There's the road I'm on. Very soft sand. I'm not coming down here in my bus. No. Might come down here in my trike, but I'm not sure yet. But they said you can get down there easy. I'm thinking that there's two routes, and there is two routes. There's one that you go by the Flying J, and you go to the right of the Flying J, and there's an access road there. This one here is another access road, but this is more for a Jeep to get there. I'm not too far from it, probably a quarter mile, but it's starting to get late, so I'm going to turn around and go back, and then I'm going to probably pull the bike out and go down to the river tomorrow. So anyhow, I just figured it's such beautiful weather out here. I'm going to turn the camera around and show you the rest while I'm here. Hang on just a minute. So here you go. Here's the rest of it. Beautiful day, beautiful day. So anyhow, I just figured I'd give you a little look-see, and you'll see the Colorado River in the background right there. Not very pretty looking. It's green right now. I think that's it anyhow. But anyhow, I just figured I'd show you some scenes, and so you can see the scenery I'm seeing. Anyhow, that's it for right now.